Okay, actually, I have lectured in first class, and I try to have the group discussion in the second one. And if you want to take a notes, I think it's a very good time. And I will tell you how to write down the notes like this student. She did a lot of experiments here. And sure, she uses a laptop, but in the classroom, you can use a cell phone. And there are different type of website. Personally, my favorite is Google Blogger. You know that? Now, maybe you can use your own, but only one criterion that should be read in public. For example, the X Twitter, the Facebook, the Instagram, you need to register, then you can read the content. I don't encourage it. You just only put your content on those websites. Because for example, I registered my Instagram maybe 8 or 9 years ago, then I never used it. I was banned to use Facebook maybe 5 years ago. I don't care. But if you, for example here, I copy and paste this one to our online group. Where is our online group? Okay, I just copy and paste it. Please check your line. Then you can see this website. You don't need to register this website. You can read the content. It's free to the public. That's a requirement I suggest you to do. Why? You need to promote yourself. You need to sell yourself. You need to advertise yourself. And the free content, free website is the best choice. Sorry, I corrected my language. The free content, but you need to pay. Sometimes you need to pay for the website. But Google Blogger is okay. Then you can read the content here. Remember one thing: anything you opened on the website, that is benefit to you. Just this principle. Okay, then let's come back here. Generally, we have two to three main textbooks in our group. You don't need to spend your money because I use open textbook, and the first one is here. Sure, the syllabus is from this semester. I will rearrange it. But very similar. The first book is here. Sorry. The human nutrition, I just copy and paste to our online group. I think I can explain maybe 5 to 10 chapters. It's impossible for me to read all books because it's not required, but also you need to select the important parts. That is one. And the second one is about where is that? Here, food and sanitation. Okay, I already shared the link on our online group. And those two books are the main textbook in our group, in our online group. And you can read it. Sure, I try to announce the progress. For example, next class I will explain chapter number 1, 2, 3 from the book number 1. I will share the iron, calcium, and sodium, the importance from the nutrition textbook, something like this. And if you have time, you can study in advance. And I also will give you some discussion questions or issues for all your opinions, I will give this part. Actually, I love this number, 20, perfect number. I had a 95. You just saw my list, 95. 95 here is impossible, but I love 20 is good. 20 is good. And I try to, next week, I will give a survey. Then I will, according to your response, I will separate it into different groups. Maybe you are from the same country, I will put you in different groups because I hope the top diversity in the group, okay? Sure, you can sit together, but during the discussion time, you can have different opinions. Okay, so far, any question? And next week, sorry. Okay, here. And okay, before I start, okay, I have a question about the grading policy. The first one, the basic one, about the attendance. My requirement is 6 times. Reasonable? 6 times. I'm not kidding. I will check attendance for 6 times. That is a basic requirement. But when over 6 times, maybe your score, it will not relate to your score. Okay. The second one, anyone want to have exams for grading? No. Okay. Anyone want to present? Because the last semester, I asked every student come to have a 3 to 5 minute presentation time. Is it okay to everyone? I will suggest you some topics. For example, the nutrition conditions in Taiwan, about the iron deficiency in country A or B, about the obesity in Taipei City or Taoyuan City, about the diabetes and the dietary the models in Taoyuan. You can select that. I will give you some suggestions. How about the presentation? Okay, good. I like that. Because 20 is okay. 20 is okay. 20 is okay. And any opinions? Any suggestions about the grading? Throw or die? Okay, then decide your score. No, I'm not kidding. Okay. Write a report. That's why I will give it 2 parts. The first part is basic requirement, 6 attendance and presentation. The second one, if you want to do more about the homework, for example, like this. You can go to my homepage here. Then you can scroll down and find all the courses like this. Oh, sorry. Here, HACCP statistics. Digitize your notes. And next week, I will tell you this part. And students can buy some tools or use them during the class. Writing tablet is optional. Keyboard or mouse for your cell phone is optional. Bluetooth about $400. Okay, wireless like this. Okay, Then where is it? Here, it's optional. It's not a requirement. It's optional. Class assignment on public website or homepage. I call it digital notes. Please digitize your notes. That was 20% in the course. And this course, I think I will discuss with you about the proportion, how to grade this part. And please report student number here. Take a look at this. Here. And the student number from HP here. Sorry, I forgot the name. The students' lab notes, the course notes like this. The representation of the data, like this. Like this. Like this. Traditionally, we write down the notes from a notebook, I mean a paper and a pencil or ball pen. But later, we take notes from laptop. And now, I hope you can write out your notes through your cell phone, but not on a paper, not on a file. Instead, we place that on a website. See, Google Blogger. Okay, let me show you this. You can check the website. Then you can see, oh, okay, the senior classmates from HPD, they already did this website, and I want to do that. Then, okay, excuse me, Lin Pei Luan, could you please introduce your website? Do you want to introduce your website? Yeah, okay. She took the statistics from my course, and she did this. Will you introduce your website? Don't worry, don't worry. Don't worry, okay, don't worry. Here, I love wireless mouse. Can you? No response? Oh, sorry. The distance is too far. Okay. Okay. Go down. Oh, sorry. No signal. Okay. It doesn't matter. She did this. She did this. And in the future, any chance, she can share her never notes to the supervisor, maybe to when she applied for a business institute, Harvard University or somewhere. Okay, then you can. When I was a college student, I was a hard worker. I was a smart worker. Then here is my lab notes. Get it? You don't need to surrender your paper. Hi, professor. I'm a good worker. I'm a smart worker. Here's a paper about my semester assignment. It doesn't matter. If you place your notes on the website, I just copy and paste. You get all information. Get it? Get it? I don't care about other professors' policy, but my policy, I always encourage students to digitize your notes like this. Okay? So if you agree with me, I may have 10 to 20% about this part. About this part, I encourage you to digitize your notes. Part of this course, part of your other course, that's okay. Agree with me? So next week I will announce the grading policy. Sorry, because I expected 95 students in this classroom. Actually 20. I love 20. Then I love this number. Okay. Then next week I will tell you the exact grading policy. Is that okay? So very close to the end of this course. Any question? Don't worry, I prevent to fail students. This is my policy. Okay, my policy is here. Only encouragement, no punishment, no enforcement. Why? Because I was a student. I know that. Okay, and I respect how much effort students want to make for this course. I just get a satisfied. It's okay. 60 score is okay. I respect you. Okay, that's my policy. But I love Awandar's course, and he inspires me a lot. And I try to do something about food science and blah blah. Okay, that's okay. I respect your decision. I respect your decision. Okay. Any question? If no more question, we can dismiss a little bit earlier. But next week we have 2 full course, and I will prepare the survey and ask your opinions about this part. And I love the number 20. Next week I will put them together into, so maybe third week I will put them into different groups. Then you can discuss something. I will give you some topic. For example, in your country, does your country agree or disagree the sugar tax? You know the sugar tax? Because too much sugar causes some disease, high blood pressure. Oh, come on. Sorry. The HP senior classmate, I will answer him later. Okay, the sugar tax, yeah, sure, it is a policy from some countries, and you can discuss this, and you can share your opinions. Is that okay? Okay, no more question? See you next time. Okay, and to students, you are not on the student, come to see me. Okay, thank you everyone.